Now, why people lose money in the stock market? Trading or investing is a very simple thing, no? Buy it at 100, sell it at 120, 20 rupees profit. And this trading is what everybody does. No? All the grocery shop, all the refrigerator shop, and all these people are buying and selling only. They are making money. Then why people don't make the same in stock market? Why? Because people in the stock market trade in options. Now, what is the difference between normal trading and option trading? Option trading may there is time involved, right? It is not like a normal refrigerated trading. It is like banana trading. You buy banana, you sell banana. No, you have to sell within 3 days, otherwise it will become decay, right? That is why don't trade in options.